What'd you get? Oh, yeah. Another one. Yep, sea bass. Yeah, he's bigger though this time. Yeah, he's been getting doubles and crabs and... Oh yeah, he's bigger. Oh yeah. Oh, he's gutted, bro. Damn it.
Get him off.
Yeah, I got the...
What's wrong with him?
He got it deep. He swallowed it deep. We might not be able to save him. There's pliers. Yeah, we've been letting him go. Yeah, just doing it for fun. Yeah. See if I can get him to open up.
Got any teeth?
Yeah, a little bit. He don't want to open up, bro. He does not want to open up, man.
He's small, but he's
Did he fall off?
He's feisty.
dangerous.
He's feisty. I got him.
Yeah.
There's a
He
flat.
swallowed.
He swallowed it
You
deep,
might be
huh?
able to get him to open up.
If he opens up, we might be able to save him.
Yeah, there you go.
Hey, can you hold that?
Yeah.
Record me?
Grab
Yeah,
it?
go for it. No, go for it, go for it.
Is it treble or just single?
No, it's a single. Push in and then, yeah, there you go. Ah, he's done.
Got him? Bleeding?
Yeah, he's gonna die.
Yeah.
No, they're tough.
Damn it.
Hopefully he'll live. If not, he'd be good bait for somebody else.
No, he ain't gonna get it.
That's awesome.
Right on.
Good fish.